Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we explore the fascinating world of bicentennial rare coins of United Kingdom. These coins, worth millions of dollars in today's market, make you billionaire overnight. It's not just a piece of metal, it changes your fortune overnight. Let's explore one by one. First, we talk about the UK 20 pence coin from 2010 featuring Queen Elizabeth II. Is often discussed in numismatic circles, but claims of its immense value running into millions or billions of dollars are misleading or exaggerated. This coin, while historically significant, is not inherently rare in the sense of low mintage or unique error variants that would fetch extraordinary sums. However, understanding its specifications, history, and collectible value helps in assessing its worth. The 20 pence coin was first introduced in the UK in 1982 to bridge the gap between the 10p and 50p coins. By 2010, this coin featured Queen Elizabeth II's portrait designed by Ian Rank-Broadley, which was widely used from 1998 to 2015. Its reverse side showcased a segment of the Royal Shield of Arms, part of the redesign in 2008 by Matthew Dent. Coins of this denomination were minted at the Royal Mint located in Llantrisant, South Wales, which remains the official mint for UK currency. The 2010 20 pence coin is made of a copper-nickel alloy, consisting of 84% copper and 16% nickel. It has a weight of 5 grams, a diameter of 21.4 millimeters, and a thickness of 1.7 millimeters. It is notable for its heptagonal, seven-sided shape, a feature designed to make it easily distinguishable by touch and sight. The edge is smooth, providing a unique tactile feel compared to other coins in circulation. While the 2010 20 pence is not inherently rare, error coins, where there is a minting mistake such as a missing date, misaligned die, or incorrect reverse design, can become highly valuable. The most famous example is the undated 20 pence coin from 2008, which emerged due to a mix-up during the redesign of the coin's reverse. Such error coins can fetch hundreds or thousands of pounds depending on their condition and demand among collectors. The claim that this coin is linked to a bicentennial event appears to be a misunderstanding. The bicentennial of key historical events like the Industrial Revolution or other British milestones could coincide with this period, but the 20 pence coin itself does not commemorate any bicentennial. Instead, its primary focus is on regular circulation and practical use rather than marking historical milestones. In today's market, standard 2010 20 pence coins hold face value unless they are in uncirculated or proof condition. Coins in these pristine states, often sold in commemorative sets, can fetch higher prices ranging from £5 to £20. Error coins, if authenticated, might sell for several £100s. However, claims of these coins being worth millions are false unless tied to unique and extreme circumstances, such as a celebrity association or historic provenance. Collectors and investors should evaluate coins based on factors like condition, graded by professional numismatic standards, rarity, historical significance, and current market demand. Authentication by certified grading companies, such as the Professional Coin Grading Service, PCGS, or Numismatic Guarantee Corporation, NGC, is crucial for validating any claims of rarity or exceptional value. While the idea of becoming a billionaire overnight by owning a 2010 20 pence coin is appealing, it is not supported by evidence. Most 20 pence coins from this year are ordinary pieces of currency. However, the broader field of numismatics offers potential for significant discoveries and profits, especially for those who specialize in error coins or rare historic issues. For enthusiasts, the joy of collecting and studying these coins often outweighs their monetary value.